This is what's done at Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Plus. From time to time, we find it necessary to replace electrical outlets in our home. Before working on any electrical circuit, ensure that the power is removed by tripping the circuit breaker at the electrical panel, and then to be double sure, check it with a multimeter. You certainly don't want to be caught on a live electrical circuit. It's not a very pleasant experience. Replacing an electrical outlet is an easy do-it-yourself task that most homeowners can do for themselves. So we're going to demonstrate today how to remove and replace an outlet. First thing we do is take the cover plate off. The cover plate is held in place by one screw. Once we remove the cover plate, we remove the two mount screws. We're using the power drill to use in this demonstration, simply for expediency. Once we remove the mount screws, we pull the outlet from the box. As we look at this outlet, we see there's two sets of wires, a set coming and a set going. Okay? Two black and two white, and of course the ground wire. What this is telling us, this is an outlet in a series of outlets. Power is coming in from some power source and continuing on to another outlet. So to remove the outlet, we simply remove all the screws. We simply loosen all the screws and remove the wire. There we go. That's an old outlet, for whatever reason, doesn't function anymore. Once we have the wires attached to the new outlet, it's just a matter of folding the wires back into the box. When folding back into the box, we want to ensure that the ground wire is all the way in the back, so it doesn't short out against any of the other screws. Once it's in position, we screw in the mount screws, securing the outlet to the box itself. When mounting the outlet in the box, you want to ensure that it's straight, and that's possible by positioning the outlet to the center of the mount screws. Once it's secured in the box, it's a matter of installing the cover plate and closing the circuit breaker, and we're good to go. By positioning the outlet to the center of the mount screws. Once it's secured in the box, it's a matter of installing the cover plate and closing the circuit breaker, and we're good to go. Changing an outlet is a very easy do-it-yourself task. Most homeowners can do it themselves. They really don't need to hire an electrician. For more information on Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Project, take a look at our website at Do-It-Yourself Home Improvement Plus.